Merry Christmas! This is the season of giving, and one of the true gifts is in the giving. With that in mind, we have a simple, meaningful, and affordable gift to show you. This craft represents the spirit of Christmas, to believe.
And as you see, I'm still with these Jenga blocks and the joint compound. Having too much fun with this. So you get 2 rows of 7 and just glue them together.
And then once those dry, you'll go ahead and use the joint compound to fill in all the gaps and create a smooth surface. And then after that dries, you'll want to go ahead and sand it to create an even smoother surface. And then you'll get it all ready to be painted. And the paint that you'll use for this one is going to be the pewter gray. And once that is on and complete and dry, you'll go ahead and use a damp sponge and you'll apply the sterling silver to it with the sponge, and just, dabbing it on will give it that galvanized steel look.
Which I love doing.
Oh, yes. Hocus Pocus Shadow Box was that same galvanized steel look. That was so cool.
Yeah, it came out really cute. So the metal word that they have now at the Dollar Tree, the Christmas ones that they came out with, believe, joy, and peace, keep it silver, but it was a little bit too shiny for the base that I painted. So I went ahead and put the pewter gray and the silver over that too, so it matched the base really well.
No, that looks really good. And you know what? We have something else that's really good and hopefully really exciting for you. We have a Christmas movie trivia question for you at the very end. And make sure you watch till the end. So we will let you know what that question is. And you can just put your answer in the comment section below.
That'll be fun.
Oh, I think so too.
Just see how many Christmas movie buffs there are out there. I love Christmas movies.
Oh, I do too.
Like our next craft is kind of giving tribute to one of those movies, Frosty the Snowman.
Oh, how fun. Yes, and the believe kind of goes along with that too.
It does.
Yeah. Because who doesn't want to believe in Santa or Frosty or any of those guys?
Well, speaking of Santa, what I want to do now is to stress the craft. And Santa's a little distressed, if I say so myself. So you just get the burnt auburn and go lightly around the edges, and it really gives it that distressed look. Oh, you're going to do that on the base also.
Yeah, and I'm not going to tell Santa you said that.
Okay. Yeah,
but Santa knows, right? If you're naughty or nice or any of that. It's
right.
Like, so there's no fooling Santa.
Yeah, I've been on that naughty list a couple times.
Oh yeah, you know what? We don't have much time today, Maria. So we'll talk on that about it another time.
There you go.
Oh, that looks
so
good.
Now I want to distress it, like we were talking about, make it look old. I really like this look. I do it on everything in my house.
And once that's all dry, you'll go ahead and finish the bottom with the black felt. Gives it more grip. If you're putting it up on a table or something, it's not going to slide around.
And a real finished look, like you said, yeah. I really like using the felt on the bottom of it. And as you noticed, I have white little dots that I put on there because I have little trinkets that I'm going to glue on, but I wanted to see where I wanted them first before I glued them on.
Oh, that's a good tip. And there's your trusty glue gun.
I know, it's been around forever. Hey Santa, I need a new... Right, hey Santa, I want a new glue gun for Christmas.
Oh my gosh. Well, you better be nice then.
I know.
Speaking of Santa.
Santa.
Oh, that's so fun.
Really good price. I got those at Walmart.
They're really cute.
Well, I wanted to use something really durable so I can keep this all year round. And the little gift boxes I got from the Dollar Tree, of course.
Oh, that is so neat. Good choices, Ree.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
So I put E6000 first, and it wasn't really doing what I wanted it to do. So I put the Mod Podge down, but I didn't want huge clumps of glue to be shown to hold the word up. So I put glitter over it to represent snow.
Oh, it looks so good. You know, like I was saying, I'm going to go ahead and let you know what that trivia question is. And it's actually a quote from a Christmas movie. And I think a lot of you will probably get it. But what it is I triple dog dare you.
So if you guys know the answer, just put it in the comments below. So I just put up 2 paint bottles together and let it dry overnight, and there you go.
That looks so good. And we have a preview of one of our next crafts.
Thanks for watching.
Till next time.
Bye.
Bye.